Ladies and gentlemen, how are we today? It's the Rowdy Dog, down the dog house. Guys, end of the day, man. I gotta have me a cigar. You know, I light up maybe once a week, so I'm not a, like a once a day guy, but I do like to light up a nice cigar occasionally. And I wanted to show you guys a product I just got in from a brand that sent it to me and wanted me to do the review and evaluation on it. And this is the brand right here. Can you see that? And that's the brand, and this is the box it comes in. I want to show you this. This is really cool. See this box? Very nice presentation. And there's the box. It's got a little instruction sheet here. And kaboom! Look at this thing. Guys, this is so cool. I collect lighters, cigar lighters and cutters and different accessory items. And guys, this thing is a chunk. That's like a brick. I mean, that's heavy. I can do curls with that. But look at this thing. Isn't that cool looking? It's got your butane window there, so you can tell when you got your butane in it. See the butane rocking around in there? But beautiful finish. It's nice, heavy duty. It's brass. It's got the company logo stamped in it. Now on top here, you got two different sizes of punches. And I made a punch in one of my other cigars right here. Nice, really makes a nice even cut. And you got two different gauges. Okay, so that's cool. Right there in the top. Then you have your guillotine cutter on one side, and I just made a cut with this on this cigar. Nice, even cut. And then you've got a flat-sided guillotine cutter on the other side. Very cool. Now this one, watch this. What you do is you take this, you lift it up, and you can tip it out to do your guillotine cut on your cigar. Very cool. And then when you're done, you just lift it up, push it right back into place. Very cool. Also has a draw needle. Well, there's your fork. It's got a fork on one side. It goes right in this little slot right here. That's your, your cigar forks. And it even has a little magnet to kind of hold it in place. Very well thought out. Just a really neat cleat. And then here's your draw needle over here. A nice hollow draw needle, and it's pretty long. That's a good 3 inches long. And if you guys know what these are, this is, if you're a cigar smoker, you put them up in your cigar if they're too packed, too tight, and you can stick that draw needle up into your cigar and help you with your draw. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, and it also has a magnet to help hold it in place so it's not going to come loose. Let me turn that to you right there. Pretty cool. And it stabs down in there, boom, and the magnet holds it in place. Now, and you've got a, see the notch on top? Has kind of knurls on it there. You got a place to hold your cigar, so you can set it down wherever, and you've always got a place to set your cigar. Very cool. Anyway, that's cool. And of course, the lighter, it's got a dual flame lighter. See there, it's dual flame. Nice blue flame. And this is, of course, butane. Your feel for the butane is down here. And very cool. I mean, just a neat product, guys. So that's 7 in 1. 7 in 1. And that's pretty cool. I like the lighter. Lighter works really good. Anyway, guys, that's what I think. Nice product. I want to sit here and enjoy my stogie. You guys have a good evening.